Then we can discuss trypanosoma. Trypanosoma, what I told you, which is the infective form, diagnostic form. T for T, that is trypomastigoid forms are infective form as well as diagnostic form. And trypanosoma has got two brothers, Trypanosoma cruzi, Trypanosoma brucei. They say that both these two brothers have never seen each other because they reside in respective area. Trypanosoma cruzi is the agent of American trypanosomiasis. American trypanosomiasis is called as Chagas disease, whereas brucei is seen in Africa. Cruzi is transmitted by the vector of Trypanosoma cruzi is Radovich bug. Whereas the vector of Trypanosoma brucei is Shishi fly. And coming to Trypanosoma cruzi or Chagas disease, usually it occurs in two forms, acute Chagas disease and chronic Chagas disease. Acute Chagas disease at the site of deposition of Radovich bug, at the site of inoculation of Radovich bug, you will have a subcutaneous swelling called as chagoma. Apart from that, a periorbital edema also may be seen. Periorbital edema will be seen, which is called as Romanas sign. Whereas chronic Chagas disease, you have to easy to remember is lot of M like myocarditis, megacolon, megaesophagus, meningoencephalitis, muscle pain. All these are the various manifestations of chronic Chagas disease, and usually it is autoimmune. The manifestation of chronic Chagas disease is due to autoimmune mechanism. Molecular mimicry is the reason behind the various manifestations of chronic Chagas disease. Okay. Then coming to Trypanosoma brucei. Trypanosoma brucei, as I told you, it is the agent of African trypanosomiasis. African trypanosomiasis is called as sleeping sickness, and it is transmitted by vector Shishi fly. Again, brucei has got two sons who have never seen each other. They are brucei gambians and brucei rhodesians. They are the respective agent of Western African and Eastern African sleeping sickness. Both the vector is Shishi fly. The Gambians, they say that it is a human parasite and it produces a chronic milder form of CNS disease as well as lymph node involvement is quite common, and one of the important sign is cervical lymphadenopathy, which is called as winter bottom sign. W for W, winter bottom sign, Western African. Okay. However, this is a less virulent parasite, that is why it is, I told you, milder infection it will produce, and also drug resistant also is less drug resistant have been reported. In contrast, African sleeping sickness, that is rhodesians, is agent of Eastern African sleeping sickness and it is zoonotic. That is, rodents, cattle and other animals are involved in their maintenance of the parasite reservoir. So, humans are unusual host. Because humans are not the normal host, unusual host, when they infect, they will produce a exaggerated or severe form of CNS disease, which is described as acute severe CNS disease. It is so acute and severe that death occurs less than 9 months. Before 9 months, the death occurs. However, lymph node involvement is rare, and this parasite is more virulent as well as more drug resistance has been reported. They ask the treatment of choice. Drug of choice is pentamidine and suramin respectively. Pentamidine and suramin are the respective drug of choice here.